Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another self-care motivation intended to not only help myself, but to also help you guys tap into your own form of self-care. So today we're going to be doing a simple hygiene routine, cooking, and we're going to be doing our nails today. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Whenever I know I'm going to be doing any kind of self-care, I usually like to plan out my entire day just to make sure I'm focusing not only on my physical appearance, but making sure my emotional and spiritual needs are met. So this means having my daily Bible reading, and also let's not forget having a sip of water at the start of our day. So the next thing I'm going to do is make my bed, which just sets the tone for today since we are doing a self-care day. This is just going to set the mood for a clean and comfortable day. And I'm also just going to make sure I get any debris off the sheets from our clothes that might have accumulated. For breakfast, I'm going to start with some sweet tangerine positive energy tea, and I love having either green or black tea first thing in the morning because it helps with any digestive issues I may be having. It's really good for flushing my system as well as just slow metabolism in general. Hot tea is always a good option. And then I'm also going to do some avocado toast with egg and sriracha. The avocado and egg are going to act as a protein replacement for meat. So if you like to work out, this is more of a healthier option. And I'm just going to eat first before I do any kind of hygiene routine because today's video is all about being present in the moment, and that's what felt right to me. Before we get into the shower, I am going to put my hair back into a low bun, which is intentional since I do wear my natural hair. I want the moisture from the steam to lock into my hair follicles since I won't be washing my hair in today's video. And I'm also just going to brush my teeth before I hop in the shower. Okay, getting into hygiene, I must say, you guys, these products that I'm going to be using are staple products. These are the same products I brought in my last video, and since then I've used every single day. When I tell you I've struggled for the last few years with underarm odor, but not no more. First of all, this Bronner's bar soap literally is the cake, and the Panoxyl is the icing on top. Odorless, no more odor. Period. You guys try these two products and let me know in the comments what you think and if I was right or if I was right. Moving on to my face, I'm going to be using this Fenty Skin Daily Duo. I told you guys that they had a sale going on, which was $12, and it looks like it's still going on. So if you like to catch it, I'll definitely leave the link in the description. Also, this is one of my favorite products to use. I also really love Olay's products, but they're just more expensive. Okay, now these, I just have two words, staple products, period. I'm just going to use that EOS lotion and lather it everywhere, and you really feel like you got everywhere you needed to when you sit on the edge of the tub to lotion up. So I love that. I'm also going to use that Dove antiperspirant deodorant, which helps for sweating. Next up, I'm using the Sulfur 8, which I explained to you guys in my last video is for my dandruff, which I have noticed I haven't been scratching my scalp at all really, and even better, no dandruff inside it. So I guess it's safe to say that it works. I also have not washed my hair in about a week, so yeah. Y'all, please don't ask me when I'm taking this fall decor down. It's still aesthetically pleasing to me, okay? But anywho, I'm just gonna light this wax, and if you don't know about this, just go watch my last video, okay? That's all I have to say. But anywho, yeah, we're gonna get into this wax, and then we're gonna get into these nails. And I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit before I put the press-ons on. And just wait until I show y'all the final result. Like, y'all won't believe that this is my first time doing these, but they really came out so nicely. Now, y'all know it wouldn't be like me if I didn't add my little pumpkin butt in the video. So, yeah. And then we also got us a 4 for 4, which I'm about to thoroughly enjoy. And this is all a part of caring for yourself and enjoying a self-care day. Shabuya, no, I'm just playing. But y'all, I did so good, right? They're so cute. And since that did take me a good while, I'm just gonna make me a fruit plate, which I got me some blueberries, some blackberries, I got some strawberries, and then I have some oranges as well. And then I also have a small bowl of yogurt that I'm just gonna put together and make a fruit plate out of. So I did end up having to put in an Instacart order for my son because we ended up running out of whole milk. And y'all know a baby plus no milk equals I don't even want to think about it. So I ended up doing that. And I also just treated myself to some chocolates and some flowers just to add to the day and make it even better. So why not? And for dinner, I decided on jerk chicken and shrimp Alfredo. And I am not the best cook, but I do pride myself on my pastas because that's my favorite food. So yeah, that's what we're going to be eating for tonight. And I will add all of the ingredients that I used in my recipe for you guys to try it. They will be in the description box below. But pretty much I just added some Creole seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, some tahini, and some jerk. And that pretty much concludes my mini version of a self-care day. I really hope you lovelies enjoyed. And please, y'all, do not forget to try those products and tell me what you think. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But definitely keep watching to the end. Okay, bye.